Grabe yung bagong update ni Canva. So kung hindi ka nakaabot dun sa first million early access ng updates ni Canva, pwede mo pa rin naman mapapanood yung video nila sa kanilang YouTube channel and doon in-announce nila lahat ng updates nila sa Canva. Tignan mo naman kung gaano karami yung bagong update ni Canva. Canva Glow Up is real. In the last decade, Canva focused in empowering individuals through design. At ngayon, for the next 10 years, gusto nila mag-focus in empowering businesses and organizations. And here's how. So they have here the bulk create, which is I think matagal na to. And then this one, I really love this one, the marketing work kit. Ayan, so ito yung mga created set of templates na talagang for marketing purpose, like the marketing campaigns, user personas, and everything for your daily marketing tasks. And for the ad integrations, they partnered with the world's largest ad platforms like the Meta, Google, and Amazon. So very soon nga daw, you can already publish directly from Canva your ad design. Now for the sales, they have the recordings, which you can actually record yourself while presenting your deck. And then for data-driven sales materials, we have the data autofill, kung saan nakakonect siya sa CRM. And then kung ano yung data sa CRM, basically will just be reflected dun sa sales presentation. And then of course, we have the sales work kit for sales-related templates. And then of course, we have HR. We have centralized knowledge base para mas organized and accessible yung mga HR materials natin, like the company policies, mission, vision, values, and everything. And this is the exciting part because they also have courses now. So this is really good, no, for employees onboarding and training. And of course, the very purpose of Canva, for creatives. So alam naman natin na before, hindi masyadong targeted ng Canva yung mga professional designers and graphic artists. But with Canva's recent acquisition of Affinity, we can now do more complex compositions. And just like Canva, educators, classrooms, and non-profits can now join the waitlist to have the access for the entire Affinity suite for free. Logo replace, alam ko matagal na yan, like last year pa yan, 2023. Then we have the Creative Work Kit, and then Creative App. And of course, Canva Enhanced Magic Studio. So ayan, meron tayo dyang, ayan, resize and magic switch, magic grab, which is one click na lang siya. Yun maganda, talagang magic na lang siya. Hindi mo na kailangan coloran. And styles, magic write, enhanced voice, so mag noise cancel. And that's it. Please follow for more contents like this.